The 10 checklist is a manual which presents a simple yet effective way for students and parents to review their candidacy for college admission and identify the gaps that require improvement throughout the process. The 10 checklist is a minimum unit for identifying what is missing or underdeveloped in the student's preparation for college application. When the student reviews each completed activity using this checklist, the focus shifts from the quantity of activities to the depth and richness of each activity. First, the student can select the broad category to which the activity subject to review belongs. Each category includes the specific questions designed to assess the qualities and clarity of the student's activities. If the student can answer yes to each question, the student can organize the corresponding evidence and record it in bullet points. However, if the answer is no, or if the student cannot provide a constructive explanation, that represents a clear gap that requires close attention. The student can revisit the process or create a new evidence to change the answer to yes. The next step involves having the teacher to review and verify the organized evidence. Any and all points the teacher identifies as inconsistent, unclear, or insufficient must be enhanced. Many students often believe that they are working hard, yet their competitiveness remains weak. This is because much of their work process exists only in their head and has not been objectively evaluated. Consequently, students overestimate or underestimate themselves. For those occupied with their academics and activities, a constructive and detailed checklist that can be used at all times becomes an essential companion throughout school life. By consistently reviewing progress and filling in each gap, students can develop comprehensive and irrefutable evidence. The 10 checklist is available as a PDF on the Lighthouse Creativity's website. Students can use it in various formats, including spreadsheets, Word documents, and memo applications. Students are encouraged to keep their checklist readily accessible and review it quickly during or after each activity, much like a personal notepad.